Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Look for the Data Saver option and tap on it. Step 5. Once you're in the Data Saver settings, you'll see an option to disable it. Tap on the option to turn off Data Saver in TikTok. By following these steps, you can easily disable Data Saver in TikTok and enjoy higher quality videos and images without restrictions. Disabling Data Saver allows TikTok to use more data for a better viewing experience. Remember, if you ever want to enable Data Saver again to conserve data usage, you can follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thank you for watching, and enjoy an enhanced TikTok experience with disabled Data Saver.